I assembled this LWS2 tractor from HobbyBoss in the previous episode. In today's video, I will try to bring it alive. To begin the project with my favorite black and white process, it's particularly effective on single color camouflage from my perspective. Not only does it make your model more dynamic, but it also leaves hidden weathering elements which make your weathering procedure easier. Additionally, it helps to improve the shadow-highlight relations. In simple words, there are enough reasons for me to keep loving it. German green camouflage is always the easiest and most difficult one to perform. The gap is really thin between dump and terrific. As a slow learner, I'm still on the how to make it look not that flat level. Use my handshaking skill on airbrushing to control the direction and thickness of the paint. That's where I said it leaves weathering elements, such as water flows, radiate shape after long-term strong sunlight exposure. LWS2 tractor is built up from the design of Panzer IV chassis. So yeah, we are basically working with a Panzer IV chassis. The roll wheel system and suspension system are so familiar. Usually we don't have to deal with the roll wheel one by one. There are more convenient ways to reach a pretty close result. But that's how I kill my weekend, a hobby-enjoyed afternoon. Focus on my hands instead of my mind. Push the project forward from time to time rather than being annoyed by the imperfections. The sponge I use here is a regular kitchen sponge, nothing fancy. Maybe it's not the best option for sponge chipping, but it's fully supplied and the density is consistent and stable. The exhaust pipe is one of the most stunning parts of the model. I prepare to sponge it with 3 layers: light grey, brown, and orange. Use PVA glue to fix small gears on the deck and in order to buy us more time. I once worried about its solidity. It has killed my concerns very soon. The original decals are very simple, 2 big white crosses. I'm not very into them. They look oversized and a bit dumb. So I airbrush one with a mask. The machine gun towers fix perfectly on the model. The small tools look okay. I'm happy about that. I applied a gloss varnish layer to protect the current result, and it's also to get the model ready for weathering. Melt down the Mr. Hobby's paste to make it easier to apply. After the paste is totally solid, use Tamiya X20 to smooth and adjust the paste. Apply a dark brown wash all over the model is to enhance the panel lines and small details. Having some fun with pigments, we are approaching the end of the project. Et voila, LWS2 tractor prototype. By the way, I don't really buy the figure kit I prepared for the vehicle, so I removed them from the final presentation. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, forward, or just watch the video. Any kind of interaction will be a great help on the channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.